NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 12. If 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2, then find the value of theta. Answer. We are given 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2. We know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That implies cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now from the given equation 2 sin square theta minus, let us write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 2. That implies 2 sin square theta minus 1 minus of minus is plus sin square theta is equal to 2. 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta, we can write it as 3 sin square theta. Let us take minus 1 to the right hand side. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. That implies sin square theta is equal to 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to root 1, that is equal to 1. When theta is equal to 90 degrees, therefore theta is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore the answer is theta is equal to 90 degrees. If 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2, then the value of theta is 90 degrees.